Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dana from AskDavidnDana.com and you have found our affiliate marketing video number 4. We're going to be talking about affiliate networks. In the first videos we talked about what is affiliate marketing. In the third video we talked about how to find your perfect niche. How do you fit into this big online marketing world, and what is it that you want to do to serve your perfect customer? Well, tonight we're going to jump in to finding the affiliate products that you can offer. And one way to do that would be to find an affiliate network. And affiliate network is kind of like a pool of all the people that are out there trying to sell their stuff. And so it's a great place to look. There's different categories, and we're going to look at a few of those tonight just to give you an idea where you might get started. Do some of your own research, and having your own niche figured out is very helpful. So if you haven't watched video number 3, I would go ahead and stop this video and go back and watch video number 3, choosing your right niche. Okay, well, the first one I've pulled up here is Jvzoo. Jvzoo has digital products, and those are focusing on things that can be delivered online. It isn't a physical product many times. So there are all sorts of ones available, but Jvzoo has been around for a while. You can see on their cover page here, cutting-edge solutions for results-driven individuals. Who doesn't want results, right? Connect with millions of global customers and affiliates for a business that grows with you. What I love about that is, we've got a lot of folks that we work with that are around the globe. We ourselves live in Mexico, right? And so some of the opportunities that you do find are specific to a certain area. But here on Jvzoo, you will find global options. You can see that they have over 9.5 million products that have been sold over 22 categories. So it's super easy to get started with an affiliate network. Right here at the top, you can see free sign up. And so if you just go there, you will see the easy process. You register yourself for a free account, fill in the information, and bam, you have an account. If you want to see what Jvzoo offers, if this is even a good solution for you, that you're going to find some things that you want to be an affiliate for. You're going to look at the top here for Marketplace, and you click on the Marketplace button, and it will take you to another screen. And over on the left where it says Categories, if you just click that, you can see the different categories that are going to be represented here in this affiliate network. You've got business, finance, education, entertainment, health and fitness. And we know that from our niche video. Health and fitness is a super popular niche. So let's go ahead and click on that just to see what they might offer. And it certainly will come up, and you'll see all of the different options that are available and how much those cost. Now, realize we aren't logged in as an affiliate right now. This is just for you to see the kind of products. And look at $17 one time. Now, if you are going to be representing a product or service, something that you found on an affiliate network, however, it is a good practice to be familiar with the products that you are representing. Okay, let's look at maybe some of the other categories that they have. You've got internet marketing, you've got self-improvement, software, writing, speaking. You can see there's a lot of things to choose from. If we go over to another category, we pulled up the home, internet marketing, e-commerce. That is also a very popular niche, just to see what sort of products are available there. And if you clicked on to buy one, you can buy them personally and try them. And like I said, that would be a good thing to see. But you'll also pull up a sales page. And what we're showing you here is when you actually become an affiliate for something, you have access to these sales pages. When your customers and clients go to something that you have, they're going to see this exact same thing. It will look as if it has come from you. And they all look very professional. And you go down and you see all of the positive things that the sales page is talking about. Okay, we are going to take a look at another affiliate network. That would be maxbounty.com. Now, Max Bounty is a little bit different than Jvzoo in that it's a connector. It will actually connect you with certain companies. It again is free. They're a little bit more picky on their process, but they'll give you an affiliate manager. You'll be actually working with a professional that will help you pick the right solutions that will fit best for your niche. So that's pretty exciting. And so that again is very simple. Right here on their cover page, performance marketing that achieves your definition of results. And you can slide down and read more about Max Bounty, how long they've been around, what they are doing in the industry. What I like, you can be an advertiser or you can be an affiliate, and you can do either. Okay, one that we are going to take a look at is the Warrior Plus, warriorplus.com. That's also a product and service affiliate opportunity, and you can free sign up there right on the front page. It has the different features. Learn more, we can click on that. And it will show you more of the features and such that come with Warrior Plus, the way that the screens will look. You've got your social proof, what their customers are saying, easy to get started. I think that was what I learned best about this. Warrior Plus is super easy to get started. You start with your free account, you find your product offers, and then you start to build your business. To find out what the affiliates are for Warrior Plus, scroll down to the bottom and they've got their marketplace down here. It's a little bit harder to find, but if you click on that, it will take you and it will show you the different options available. You've got it listed by vendors, by affiliates, by deal of the day. You also can see top sellers. Let's jump over to top sellers just to get an idea what may be hot right now. All right, let's look at this Let's Dance. If you click on that, it will show you what you have, what that looks like, the sales page. An urgent message for self-publishers. This Done For You package will help you tap into one of the hottest coloring trends of 2020 and easily dominate the highly profitable ballerina coloring book niche, even if you hate graphics and can't draw a single line. Now, it was hard to tell what that Love Dancing was going to be all about. So sometimes you have to click and check things out to find out what exactly it is. Now, if we want to know what categories Warrior Plus has, up here on the top bar, on your sign-in bar, you can pull down the marketplace and go to categories. They've got marketing, education, software, services. Under services, you've got coaching, you've got copywriting. Always good to be able to browse the marketplaces and see what categories are available for you. Warrior Plus will also send you an email with the deal of the day. So we've got Jvzoo, we've talked about Warrior Plus, we've talked about Max Bounty, and there are others. You've probably heard of ClickBank. It's also digital products. It's probably the oldest one that's been around the longest. It's worldwide as well, with lots and lots of digital products. They've got a huge category list, and it's not just online marketing stuff. You want to check out ClickBank. Okay, so we've looked at some affiliate networks that I've been exposed to as an affiliate marketer, but there's a lot of other affiliate networks out there, and if these ones that I've suggested don't fit for you, how are you going to know how to find another affiliate network? Because we want to be self-sufficient and able to find resources if they're not given to us, right? So what works today may not work tomorrow. So if we have the understanding of how to find what we're looking for, let's just type in the search bar affiliate networks and see what comes up. That would be another way to try to find an affiliate network that may have some options that fit for your niche. Now, you don't necessarily want to pay attention to the ads, so we will scroll past the ads. Okay, according to smartblogger.com, they've got 8 best affiliate networks for earning passive income in 2020. Well, that's perfect. We're in 2020. So if we slide down, what are we going to see? Are they giving us a list? All right, they do. They have top 8 here. Share a sale, ClickBank. Okay, ClickBank's one I gave you. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. And they've got some other options there. So those might be some affiliate marketing networks that you might want to check out. A pretty nice article. You might want to double back to that. But again, Googling things will be helpful. In the next video, we'll be talking about other ways to find affiliates if you don't use a network. We'll also talk about, in upcoming videos, how you get paid. How does affiliate marketing work? And so stick with us. Be watching for those new videos as they come out. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in general, we've talked about this before, but one of our favorite things is a 15-day challenge. For 15 days, you're going to get training and to-dos and all kinds of wisdom about affiliate marketing. And I will put a link to that 15-day challenge as the top link right down in the description. So be sure, if you're hungry for more information on affiliate marketing and how you can really use this to leverage your business, check out that 15-day challenge. You won't be sorry. And in the meantime, we will be preparing more great content for you, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.